patient has been prescribed prednisolone, whatever, 40 milligrams. So the patient has to get 40 milligrams. The stock dose is 20 milligrams. How many tablets will you administer? So each tablet, here's a wee tablet, right? Each tablet has 20 milligrams of the stuff in it. The patient needs to get 40 milligrams. Well, if you give them one tablet, they'd only be getting 20 milligrams. And if you give them two tablets, 2 by 20 would equal 40. So the answer, I reckon, is 2 tablets. The patient needs to get 2 tablets in order to get the prescribed amount of 40 milligrams.